When cleaning is completed, a renovation repair and paint RRP contractor uses the EPA Post-Renovation Cleaning Verification Card to see if their disposable wet cleaning cloth has passed a visual inspection. The goal is for your cleaning cloth to be visually as clean as when you started. You lead safe clean and re-clean until you get this visual result. I'm Anthony Weaver, a lead risk assessor with the Lead Paint Detectives. Making sure an area is visually clean is great, but checking for invisible lead dust, you can't see it with the naked eye. It's not enough. In other words, it could be visually clean, but still be contaminated with invisible lead dust. Nobody wants to leave invisible lead dust behind. Adding Lumetallix Instant Lead Detection test to the EPA Post-Renovation Cleaning Verification Visual Inspection helps ensure when the job is complete that not only is it clean, it's also lead safe. If it glows green, you must re-clean. In this real-world lead abatement renovation job, I want to see if there's invisible lead dust in this home built before 1978 before I start. Before we clean lead safe, you can see on the pad that not only is it really dirty, but after using Lumetallix reagent spray, the dry pad shows glowing neon green specks all over it. The goal now is to get the area cleaned lead safe. Using a wet disposable cleaning cloth, clean in an S pattern in one direction, then in the other direction. Repeat this process and keep cleaning until the mop pad still looks clean with no debris on the bottom. Compare your wet disposable cleaning cloth against the EPA Post-Renovation Cleaning Verification Card and keep cleaning until the cloth passes the visual inspection. After you clean the area, make sure it's dry because wetness interferes with Lumetallix. Once the area is dry, wipe with a dry, disposable cloth. Once you've gone over the area with a dry, disposable cloth, spray the dry cleaning pad with Lumetallix reagent spray. Turn the lights down, shine the UV light on the dry cloth and see if you see specks of glowing green. If it glows neon green, you must re-clean. Continue lead-safe cleaning and retest the area using a dry, disposable cleaning cloth and Lumetallix Instant Lead Detection test until there's no sign of bright green specks and invisible lead dust. As an RRP contractor, not only do you know it's visually clean, but now you know it's lead-safe with Lumetallix Instant Lead Detection test. Get Lumetallix at lumetallix.us, and it's also available at amazon.com. For more videos and lead-safe resources, go to leadpaintdetectives.com. You can contact us through our website, phone, or email.